Yo, new video today, new haul. You know how it goes. Let's get this bitch open. For those who don't know, I'm Aiden, also known as Stocai. I post consistently on TikTok regarding fashion content, but I also do a lot of clothing hauls. So let's get this box open. So today, it's gonna be mostly just some clothes that I got. And now I just realized that this thing is completely in the way. And I don't know how I feel about that. I'm fully in frame. Now, I did get another haul recently that I didn't actually film a YouTube video for. Let me know if you guys want to see what I got in that haul, and I'll post another video of just what I got in that haul. But this one, you know, I got this a couple days ago. I just got back to my place. I've been staying with my parents for a while because just I had some dentist appointments and, you know, some Invisalign consultations because I plan to get Invisalign. My teeth are honestly fine. I don't really struggle too much with my teeth. It's more just like, I just feel like getting Invisalign because why not? In this haul, I'm fully remembering that I got some stupid stuff in here just because I thought it'd be funny. So let's start with that right now. So this one I think will do pretty well on TikTok just because of the fact that it is a fully silky, 100% polyester Bape hoodie. I don't know if you guys want to cop this. I could definitely throw it in there, but I doubt you guys want this. I don't even feel like trying it on because of how ugly it is and how silky it is. I mean, let me know down below if you want to have this silky hoodie because I'm definitely not wearing it. So keeping it online with the silly stuff, we got this hoodie. It's a normal zip-up hoodie, but then when you get to the back of it, there's an entire backpack. If you want a backpack on your hoodie, go for it. Yeah, definitely a unique hoodie. And I got this because I needed a cutting board. So, cutting board from China. It smells pretty good. We got a Supreme bag. You know what that means? It's Supreme. A lot of people have been asking me for this, and I feel like a lot of you will like it. The Cardi Supreme tee. Can't complain with this. Cool piece. Now, this is one of the few things that I was actually excited for. And this is a Moncler like cardigan kind of style puffer coat. It's got a lot of tags on it. I might have got this in a size too large, size too big. As you can see on the back, you got your Moncler tag. The back is just kind of knit, and then the rest is like a puffer vest material. Let's try this on right now. Almost feels like this might have been woman sizing, but this feels, it's actually really comfortable. I'm gonna be completely honest, this is really comfortable. Whoa. Button pockets. The audio is probably really muffled, but it's got a super big hood. I don't know the reason. Honestly, a really cool piece. I think this is really good. It's kind of tight on my arms. I got this in a large, and I'm typically a medium in most things for upper body. And yeah, I don't know, I feel kind of jacked in this, but nonetheless, a cool piece, especially if you're wearing it. I feel like this is more of like a formal wear kind of thing. You know, you're wearing like a dress shirt and thingy, like, I feel like this doesn't really go with sweatpants. Feels a little feminine, but who really cares? Oh, these. So I got some chopsticks because I just like using chopsticks at my house and I don't have any. So I figured I might as well get some, and here they are. So these will go into my drawer. I can't remember what some of this stuff is. Get this box open. Ah. So for those who know, I saw my goat Derry with this. He's a prominent TikToker. I'll throw his TikTok up on the screen. He's probably one of my biggest influences for fashion. And I saw he had this belt and I was like, I need to get it. So we got the Valentino. Let's get this box open. Oh, it's got a nice dust bag as well. It's got all the sale receipts. Valentino card. Valentino leather. Nice card. Got a receipt. It's a lot of Hong Kong dollars. We got an invoice. And yeah, here is the belt. There's the logo. So it's reversible. It could be either black or white, or black or red. And look at that belt. That's just a beautiful belt. I don't have anything to try it on with, but definitely a super sick belt. Yeah, super sick belt. I will definitely be wearing this a lot. But yeah, sick piece. On to the next. So next, it is more furniture for my house. I'm ordering a couch, which is actually, I'll have a supplier and a link for you guys as well, if you guys want to get the same couch. but I figured there was this sick blanket style thing that I'll throw on my couch when I get it, but it's just, I don't know if you could see, it's pretty big. It looks like a dancing person. Super cool piece. I think I'll just have it on the ground for now because I don't have anywhere else to put it. Next, we just got an organizer rack. This will be for my washroom. More apartment goods. I know it's boring, but I do unfortunately need all this stuff. Just like this, I got this knife block. Now I did get some stationery goods. I got this pencil because I need a pencil for school. This little carabiner. I don't know how I'm actually gonna use it, but it is pretty cool. And this lighter holder. Now I don't smoke or anything, but I am the type of person to lose lighters a lot. And so this will just help me so that I don't lose my lighter. You know, it's got some chrome look on it, but yeah, this just will help me so I don't lose my lighter, you know, in the emergency that I do need to light a candle or something, you know. Oh, it's my lead for my pencils. I don't know why they wrapped it like that. We got some more niacinamide from Anua. I love this stuff. I use that as a lake acid all the time. Anua, please sponsor me. Now, this is something that is actually very necessary for me, and I'm actually probably gonna use it after I clean it. It's got a nice grip on it. And now, the glory piece that I'm sure a lot of you have been waiting for. You saw in the thumbnail, we got these leather Converse with the chrome patch on them. You can see the chrome dagger on the back, chrome dagger on the front. Should be on the tongue as well, but is there no tongue? Oh, there it is. So there's nothing on the tongue, but chrome on the sides, and wow. These are leather. They feel pretty good quality. These were a little bit expensive. These were like over $100, I believe. Chrome on the shoelace. Yeah, these are just a sick piece overall. I need some Converse. I need some smaller shoes, but I figured these were a sick piece to have, and I definitely will be rocking these a lot. So actually, I'm gonna try these ones on just because. Yeah. Shit, I need to untie this bitch. So I don't know if these are a sweatpants type of shoe, and they're covering the chrome anyway, but super cool shoe. Completely forgot to show this, but we got this polo shirt. So I've been loving polos recently. Seems a little long, a little excessive, but got that logo right there. Got the 3 on the side. Custom slim fit. We got this on the back. So I'm gonna definitely throw this stuff in the wash and give it a try. But this is definitely a super cool piece. Can't go wrong with a polo. Makes you look good. Never seen a polo not make someone look good. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.